factories in this region here. Sean Ricard, here we are in the Black Forest, and that is a 146-2 locomotive pulley. And another one pushing. Yep. So we have just arrived at Triberg. So now we just got to find our way to, which I assume is the... we are in literally the heart of the Black Forest. We are about an hour and a half by train north of where we are in Freiburg, and 40 miles south of Offenburg, which we had to go to come here. So literally we are like dead center of the Black Forest. All right, we just arrived in Triberg, as mentioned in a little bit earlier, but here you go. Check this big Class 50 out. Well, we'll do this as a shorty too, but this is what we see coming out of the Triberg train station. That is a beautiful Class 50. Look at that. That's big too. Yeah, there Joyce is walking next to it, so you can get an idea. This is a big boy. Okay, it's not a big boy, but... So come around and take a picture from the back side. I'm sure some people scream getting closer. If you're getting closer, you can't really see the whole thing. But this big boy worked these mountains apparently. But I hope some of my train guys appreciate this. And yeah, there's no way of getting up in there. Signs everywhere say don't climb up, and it's all fenced off, so you can't get up in there. Okay. Still walking through. It takes about half an hour to walk from the, or 40 minutes to walk from the train station to the waterfalls. So we are walking through the city of Triberg, and
Mostly uphill.
That's uphill. And it is a major tourist mecca. When you're in the Black Forest, you come to Triberg. But it's not a tourist trap town. It's not touristy. All right. We're still walking up. It is just one non-stop climb upwards. And you can see the angle still going up, but we passed this little shop, which is kind of a... Oh, it is open too. Is it a tourist information? There's the Triberg Rathaus. Very nice Altstadt, very typical inside the Black Forest town. You do have a couple of cuckoo clock shops because that's what the Black Forest is famous for. And then you have these sort of Easter Island-like characters, but what a beautiful little river here. And clearly it can run much higher, especially I'll bet March and April. But it is a Sunday, so all the shops except for a couple of tourist shops and some restaurants are closed today. Yeah. Okay. And then there we are. So we are at the waterfall. You know, I may buy a Schwarzwald t-shirt. Yep. Oh, they got a Christmas market over there. But yeah. I should have just come in my swimsuit. We just had the most amazing luck, or whatever you want to call it. We were coming up to get in line, and this couple, probably mid-late 60s, maybe 70, stopped us and said, "Are you going to the waterfalls?" And we said, "Yeah." They said, "Here, our tickets are all-day tickets, and we're leaving." Oh, super. Hello. What?
Oh, I know. Schweinsteiger?
Well, I didn't hear, so I mean, I don't. That's where my German is very weak, is specific names. I know general names of a lot of things, but not necessarily specific. Oh, do you see them, babe? Yeah, you can see the waterfalls through the tree up here. And there's a nice little observation roundout area here, so I'll pause this and then we'll get up there. And all I can tell you, yeah, the trees block the view here, but you kind of see up above to the bridge. That's the highest point you can walk up through the park. But there are observation points along the hike. There's also 10 million bugs up there. I don't know if you can see them swarming. I'm trying to get focused in, zoom in on that. But it's so far yet. Huh. But yeah, I was just mentioning on the video the couple that gave us their tickets, so we didn't have to pay to get in.
So remember down there getting the race.
Oh. Yeah. Yep.
Yeah. This is so
Very cool. Okay, here we go. Okay. This is the main part of the falls. There's, if you go up here and way up, there's more to it. But there's no easy path to it. There's only one path and you have to have a pass, and It doesn't go through this park. This is, well, from that bridge up there, you can see the other half. But this is the part I came to see. I mean, this is the best view. But I figured Joyce and I are going to work our way up to the top there. This is what it's about, my friends. So a little bit closer now. Just beautiful here. Absolutely beautiful. There it is. This is video.
Okay. You never know.
What do you think of the falls?
Oh, that's super. Wow, they're very, very cool. Very pretty.
Now let's get a picture. Absolutely beautiful here. We're getting near the top. We're above, well, the top that we can go. Little observation hut. There we go. That's the best way. There we go.
Yeah.
So you can cut me out. Is this awesome?
Very, very, very cool.
Glad we did it?
Yep. Oh, yeah.
I am. This is one of the things I really wanted to do,
I
and
know,
we were thinking, we're just not going to make it, but now we
We're
decided.
back in the hills and we're in nature.
Yes, it's another hike.
Very, very
A
nice.
short hike today. We're not taking the full route today. I'm coming up to the highest point of the walk. And from this point on, it just goes down and you don't see any more of the falls. From there on, those sections up there just look down. This is it. This is it. Now, if the camera's shaking, it's because every part of my body is shaking. But this is only half the height of the fall, but you could go up to the very top up there, but you don't see any more of the falls. You just look down on this part. So I think my fear of heights is, I mean, the bridge is okay, although some of the boards feel very weak. But this is amazing. This is awesome. I would love to be playing in that water there right now. I would give anything if they had built a platform here to let people go dip their legs in. But then again, it would ruin the beauty of the nature here. So once Joyce is done taking pictures and doing her view, because I'm not going to shorten her view just because I'm a coward, we'll go back into town and then head home because we got a pack tonight. One more time up above the Triberg Falls, the Triberg Falls, in the middle of the Black Forest. This is what it's about. Oh, this feels good. All right, now Joyce and I have come back here because if you park on this corner, if you ever come here and you come up the way, you're just below this little observation house. But there's this little corner right here before you go up and around. And this is where you feel it. You get the negative ions that create positive feelings. You can't feel it on camera, but you just get it. You get the wind blows this way, and you just feel some moisture in the air, and it's such a great feeling. So Joyce and I parked it here for a bit. I know I took video a little bit ago of it, but it just feels too good to not walk away from. Okay, and one of the little things whenever you're traveling anywhere is that if you climb up a hill, you're usually focused ahead. Pay attention on the way down. You'll see things you didn't see on the way up, like that little church bell tower up there. That's actually an old Bachturm, an old warning tower.